So I think everybody's heard this enough and more. AI is taking your job. AI is taking my job. AI is taking everybody's job. Relax. That's far from truth. I think what AI is doing, it's weeding out all of the redundancies, and I think some of the bits that we as leaders kind of overlook. So I think what has happened is, I have sat and had conversations with leaders to understand why is it that companies are struggling to keep up. Everybody's on this AI bandwagon, everybody's trying to get the best of the talent, but then everybody's hiring fast and fighting fast. I think almost every day you see somebody going open to work. We feel bad, we refer, and then they join another startup and they're back on open to work. What is missing is basically our leaders trying to understand what they are hiring for. The definition of your business use cases, the problems you want to solve. I don't think companies have a problem of people. I think they have a problem of revenue-linked talent architecture. That's something which is extremely, extremely lacking in all of our companies. So how do we solve this? I think we solve this by internalizing, by understanding why we do what. And that is where AI can help. AI has helped me define and design HR structures. Hi, I'm Nidhi Astana. I am a HR leader with 2 decades of experience. I have built people, I have built policies, and I think I have built amazing, amazing companies. So my question to you is, how is it that you want to transform your organization and make AI your friend? Thank you.